Front end punches are fearful. Here in this video I will show you how to remove the front wheel of SD Adventure. I use a 22 ring wrench to break the axle nut loose. I pre-lubricated every nut here with the WD-40 so it became easy. I already removed it once so it became easy in the video. These are the pinch balls. It needs a hex 6 driver. So do not completely remove the pinch balls, loosen evenly. If you remove completely, match the thread. So please do not remove it completely, just loosen the pinch balls. So now I remove the ABS sensor wire. Why? Because while assembling I will remove the brake caliper completely. It obstructs the disc here, so I loosened it. So now I remove the a little bit of sand and clear the base. Now push the motor jack as shown in the earlier video too. Here is the trick. Just push with your back the tank and place the motor jack. It is very simple. Do not use any shear strength, just technique. So here I loosen the brake caliper. This is Allen key 10. This is not necessary, but I bought it, so I'm using it. You can hammer the axle with a rubber hammer. I do not have it, so I use the rubber cushioning and push the axle out. You lift the front wheel and drag the axle out. This is the axle. It has only one spacer. Here is the problem. If you put the front brake caliper over there while aligning it, it will be difficult. So why to create that chaos? So I removed it. So I placed it over the front fender. So this is how it looks, and this is a spacer and a front axle. So coming to the assembling, just place the front wheel and place the front axle. Look for the alignment in the holes. So place the spacer too. Look for the dirt and clean those. Look for the alignment here on the Allen key, and there is some difference in the diameter. Look for it. So lift the wheel here and there so that it aligns properly. Once everything aligns, it's a 5-second job. It just penetrates into it. When you remove the axle, make sure that if you have grease, apply it. Clean the debris. So I again use the Allen key to push it. You can use anything. That's it. Locking with the axle nut. Do not completely lock it, just place it. Here is the one more important thing. When you remove the front brake caliper, do not accidentally press the front brake. If you are unsure, place some wood or a screwdriver kind of thing in the middle. So create a gap and press the front brake caliper in and place the balls in, and also place the ABS sensor into the position, sensor wire into the position. So tighten the axle nut little bit. Remove the motor jack. It's not necessary now. So this is the important step. Pump 3 to 4 times, then everything will be aligned. Important step, do not forget. After pumping, tighten the pinch balls evenly. So do not over tight or do not loosen it. Tight appropriately. Very important step. Pumping is very important. So here you tighten the brake caliper bolts too. At the end, tighten the axle nut. Taken care that pinch bolts are already tightened. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to your friends. It might be useful.